Are your client logos invisible to search engines and screen readers? If you've uploaded images of your clients to your Namecheap website but haven't added any alt text, those logos are basically hidden. Search engines can't read them, and people using screen readers get no information at all. That hurts your accessibility and your SEO. The good news is that the fix is simple. You just need to know where to look. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the 5 clicks to find and edit the alt text field for any client logo on your Namecheap site. Let's jump in. So start by opening your site in the Namecheap website builder. Go ahead and log into your Namecheap account, find your website, and open it in the editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, it's time to locate the Client section. Scroll down your page until you see the area where your client logos are displayed. Click directly on the word Clients or on the section itself. That will select the whole block. Now, here's where we get specific. Click on the first client logo you want to edit. In the editor, each logo should be an individual element, so go ahead and click on Client 1. You'll see it gets highlighted or selected. This is the step where a lot of people get stuck because they don't see an alt text field yet. Don't worry, we're getting there. With that first client logo selected, look for the highlight option. It might be a button or a menu that says something like highlight or style. Click on that. This reveals more settings for that specific image. And now, the final step in this little path is to click on Continue. This button will open the image settings where the alt text field is hiding. And here's the really important part. Now you'll see the alt text input field. This is your moment. Type a descriptive text for the logo. Don't just write logo or client 1. Think about what the image actually shows. If it's a logo for a company called Greenleaf Landscaping, your alt text should say something like Greenleaf Landscaping logo. Be specific and helpful. This text is what screen readers will announce, and it's also what search engines use to understand the image, so make it count. After you've entered your alt text, save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button and click it. Your alt text is now live on that logo. And now you need to repeat this process for every single client logo on your site. Yes, it takes a few minutes, but it makes a huge difference for accessibility and your search rankings. Go through each logo one by one. Click Highlight, click Continue, type your alt text, and save. By doing this, you've transformed your website from having invisible client logos to having fully accessible, SEO-friendly images. As someone who uses the Namecheap site builder regularly, I can tell you this is one of those small tweaks that has a big impact. Your clients will appreciate being recognized, and your website will thank you for it. So go ahead and get those alt texts filled in. You've got this.